morning to all students. Okay, in this class, I want to explain you about the assignment bits. And my name is P. L. Prasad, and I am from Sri Kri Bhavan, Narayana College, Vijayawada. So come to know in assignment bits level 1 from the practice book from this week. So here the first bit is radioactive halogen is. This is the question. Radioactive halogen is. Radioactive halogen is. This is the question. See the options. First option iodine. Second option aspartame, and third option is polonium, and the fourth option is bromine. These four options, which is the right option? Radioactive halogens. What are the halogens? Halogens: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and aspartame. These are the halogens. In these, aspartame is radioactive. Aspartame is radioactive element. Radioactive element. So the right answer is that 2. Right answer is 2. Come to know that second bit. The halogen which is solid at room temperature. The halogen which is solid at room temperature. So the options are, the first option is I2, second option is Br2, third option is Cl2, fourth option is F2. So what is asking? The halogen which is solid at room temperature. In these four, F2 and Cl2, these two are gases. And bromine is a liquid, and iodine is solid. So what is the right answer? Iodine. First one is the right answer. Third bit. Halogens belongs to dash group. Halogens belongs to dash group. The options are 6th A group. Second option is 6th B group. Third option is 7th A group. Fourth option is 8th B group. So the electronic configuration of halogens electronic configuration. General electronic configuration is ns2 np5. From which the halogens belongs to 7th A group. Halogens belongs to 7th A group. Halogen belongs to the 7th A group. Fourth bit. Outermost electronic configuration of the most electronic element is. Outermost electronic configuration of most electronegative element is. Most electronegative most electronegative element is? This is the question. Options: NS2 NP3, NS2 NP3, and the second option is NS2 NP4, NS2 NP4. Third option is NS2 NP5, NS2 NP5. Fourth option is NS2 NP6, NS2 NP6. What is asking us? Outermost electronic configuration of most electronegative. In these four options, which group is that most electronegative group? So here NS2 NP3 is nothing but fifth group. So fifth group. After that, this is called fifth A group, and this is called sixth A group, and this is called seventh A group, and this is eighth group. In these all groups, the more electronegativity is this one. Seventh A group elements are the more electronegativity is increases. No, from left to right, electronegativity increases. Hence, seventh A group elements are more electronegative. Okay, so this is about the fourth bit. Now fifth bit. The number of p electrons in bromine atom is. Number of p electrons in bromine atom is. This is the question. And options is: one is 17, second option is 7, and third option is 15. Fourth option is 30. Now, the bromine atomic number is 35. Electronic configuration: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p5. So, what is asking? P electrons is asking. Here, total 6 plus 5, nothing but 17 electrons. Where is that answer? First one is that answer. Okay, come to know the next bit. So the 8th bit is oxidation state of iodine in ICl2 minus. Options: +1, -1, +2, -2. ICl2 minus particle. The iodine oxidation number we don't know, no? So thus we want to find. So let us assume that is x. X plus 2 into each Cl minus 1. 2 into minus 1. The overall charge is minus 1, hence is equal to minus 1. From that x is equal to plus 1. Means oxidation number of that iodine is +1. First option is the right option. See the next question. The excited state in which a heavier halogen has 1 lone pair in its square pyramidal molecule. So here the options: first excited state, second excited state, third excited state, fourth excited state. Square pyramidal molecule in the sense 5 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. 5 bond pairs and 1 lone pairs. Means that NS2 NP5 ND0 configuration, second excited state contains that 1 lone pair, 5 bond pairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs, 5 bond pairs. The right option is that second excited state. This is the right option. Come to know 10 bit. The halogen which can form both cations and anions is fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. These are the options. These all, iodine can act as a cation and anion. Of course, both can form the positive and negative charge, all can form, except that fluorine. Fluorine always shows that -1. Iodine can act as an anion and cation in ionic compounds also. Hence, the right answer is that iodine. Fourth option is the right option.